We had a very old kitchen and it pulled the light down.
Back in the 1990s, basically.
Falling to pieces, the doors weren't working, the drawers kept sticking.
Quite tired and not very well built.
The cupboards were falling off the hinges.
I decided that I wanted to live in a house with a good kitchen for as long as I could. And so that's where Dream Doors came in.
My kitchen with Dream Doors is now beautiful, light, airy.
It's clean, it's clear, it's bright, it's modern.
Soft closing drawers.
Just a gentle push and they're all closed quietly, no banging, no crashing.
Luxurious, especially the waterfall.
Keep my benches clear.
The stone splashbacks and the stone frontage.
Big induction hob.
All the lovely curves, all the lovely shapes. And it's given me so much more space that I didn't believe was actually possible.
Now it's just pure luxury. Dream Doors were recommended to me and I'm really pleased that that happened.
The service I got from this company was extraordinary.
They came to my home and had lots of different options.
I didn't have to think, it was all done for me. And he said, you don't have to put up with that, we can take that out, we can do this, we can modernise that.
These boys from Dream Doors just got on and did the work.
They organised all the subcontractors.
They would go above and beyond, only too happy to oblige and just totally professional.
I came in, it was gone. I came back and it was in.
We didn't want to get a whole new kitchen put in, so they were able to take off all the panels and work their way around the kitchen that we already had.
It looks like we've spent a lot of money. We've saved at least 50%. The guys were really friendly.
Trustworthy.
Congratulations, Dream Doors.
Give them a call. I highly recommend them.